All right, we back. We ready to dry the tube off and patch the hole. I found the hole, and it is right here. I'm try to see it. Smack it. It's on the inside. It disappeared on me. Right here. Wow, got him. Right there. Right there. I'm ready to patch him. I'm going to show y'all how to do a patch. You get your patches nice and dry and clean. I wiped it. My finger on it. Look. This called is slime. Slime peel and stick patch. See that? And you got to use your little scratcher thing. You scratch it. I'm just going to dump them on the table. You know, I get them up. Alright. I'm going to take it all nice and dry. I'm going to scratch it. Scratch it, just scratch it, scratch it, scratch it, scratch it, scratch it, scratch it, like that, like so, like so. You're just giving this, you know what I'm saying, the patch so, you know what I'm saying, sit in, that's all. And you gotta penetrate the hole. You know? So you can carry yourself and sit there. So you're gonna scratch with. Scratch around the little nick or the little nick I did. I just did this yesterday, but it's cool. I can do it a million times. I love this type stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's almost like giving something life. I'm gonna take my patch right here. Oh, and my patch. It's a pill. You gotta put it. I took my gloves off. Because I messed up one yesterday trying to do it with the gloves. So here you go. Just put it like a sticker. It's gonna come off with the white stuff at first, but just keep putting it till it come off. So like that. Boom. See that? Alright, so I'm gonna take this. Set that over there where the wind blow it away. I'll get it. If it's still there. Take it and just put it over what you scratched in the hole. Smooth you. Get all that air out. See any white? You better go back there and blight real hard. Blight real hard. Alright, so then we all done. Here's a patch. Oh, the one from yesterday. Here you go. This is the one I just did. One from yesterday. Look, spin it on around. Look at that. One right there. One right here. Look at that. Two patches in 2 days. Ain't that crazy? But hey, that's why I do this stuff. Put a smile on my own face and everybody else is out there. Or who might be in the woods with me. Alright. Time. Took me 4 minutes to show y'all that. So hopefully put this back on quicker than I, took it off at 3 minutes. Here we go. Just put the tire in there, stem first. Get in the tube. My fault. Open your tire on with your left hand and push in the tube in. So it's always a line on the end of the tubes. See one right here, yellow or blue line. You have blue or yellow or orange or something to let you know when your tube is inside of your tire. I taught all my stuff, I'm self-taught. So I kind of paid attention to what I was doing with stuff that I acquired for myself. And I was able to get it, I got it, so now I gotta maintain it. So, that's just some few things that, Uncle Sam do live with you besides the other stuff. The bad things. I do this to kind of cope with the other things. I don't mask it, because I can't mask it. I have to cope with it. It's just it. I tinker with a lot of stuff. So, gonna do this. In the tube vent. 1 minute. Alright. This is the step I forgot yesterday. I'm gonna set this to the side. I'm gonna get my zip ties. Smoke break. Oh, it's a Newport, by the way. Smoke break. Newport short. Got some of those, bring me some. I can use it. Zips. I'm gonna do a simple wrap with these. Have a leg. It's gonna be 4. I'm gonna do 4. So I don't have to cut so many. The zip ties. Tie here into. And the only reason why I'm zip tying this, so I'm supposed to zip tie this, because if you don't, you risk doing what I did yesterday. That's why I'm patching it again. But Mike gonna ride today, cuz. Alright. I'm at the double these. So I'm gonna take out 8. The rest of them, just put them on the lab table. All I'm gonna do is put them together like so. Just put them together like so, just to make them longer. As a matter of fact, I think I might have some longer ones. Let me see if I got some longer ones before I do this. By the way, my rim, 14-inch spoke. Nice, pretty strong rim too. I got a 12, just like. This is what we're doing. We're making our twist ties longer. So I got 2 here. I'm gonna make all these the same way. Get 2 more, because I'm gonna use them all the same way. So you want to be uniform, so everything will work out the way it's wanted to. So I got 8. So that meant I was gonna use 4, but they're too short. I'm just making them longer. All right. 1 more. All right. Now, see what we got? See what we got? See that? That's all I'm doing. See? Alright. I'm going to tie my tube. 14. Right here. This makes it easier so you don't have to fight to get the tie on there without pinching your tube. I was rushing yesterday because I was just so anxious to ride. I hadn't rode, been working on my truck. Fixed it, been working on my wife's car. And hit with a deer or whatever, but that's done. Just gotta get the keys. And button it up. She can ride when she get back home. But until then, we're gonna do this. Alright. Here we go. We're gonna band them. We're gonna make sure that all your smooth is on the inside of the tire. So you ain't gotta cut no buckles out. Or the buckles gonna pinch your tire. That's 1. I'm gonna spin right up and down from the last one. I'm gonna band him, just like so. Uh-oh, almost messed up. Mike almost messed up, but I got him. All I'm doing is making sure the inner tube stays inside of my tire. Look at that. 1 right here, and 1 right here. 1, 2. I'm gonna go like this and do the same thing up and down. Oh, my bike. Spin them around, right at the steering. Boom, boom. And then we smoking like Joe Frazier. Smoking Joe Fraser. There you have it. I'm gonna make sure my inner tube is tucked inside of my tire. Get in there, cuz. You're not supposed to be outside. You in the dark for a second, so you don't get hurt. Come back on that rim. Smoking down right there. Put the steering in the room. And now, there you have it. Look at real. With 4 zip ties on it. 4 zip ties on it. Just to keep your inner tube inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep your inner tube inside. I'm gonna take my rim. Hold down. Slam down. I'm just gonna put it on the rim. And once you get your stem in there, you cap it off with the nut that comes on the stem so it won't slip back out. After that, you can cut your zip ties off. My little itty bitty at. Stem needs some direction. So I'll make them follow the cup of instruction. It's a little nut that goes on the stem. Once you get it through, tap them all, put them on there, you can pull it through and make it straight. Set them right here. So when I get ready for them, y'all will see when I grab them. I'm through, y'all. My nut. Spin them a little bit and pull them through. Spin them down. Like I showed you before. Tap, tap. Put your rim in. Sometimes I hit them with a little shot of 40. Shout out to WD-40, man, for making the world a quieter, smoother place. Slapping with some of that on both sides, as a matter of fact. It's giving that slippery feeling. So he'll just slide on there. Make the tire look nice too. And lubricates it. That's why we don't use it for tire shine, do we? WD-40. Shout out to WD-40. Look at that, like butter. Like a hot cake. Look at that. Float by itself. Ooh, move too fast. Get that joint in there like that, huh? Put some monkey on. Some grape ape on. Alright, where the big boys at? Come here, leg. I call him leg. This my handy dandy. You know what I'm saying? Muscle right here. One thing you gotta have on life, leverage. Some kind of leverage. As long as you got that, you die. We all die. You don't smoke the boots like this. Get up there, Georgia. You gotta have some markers. And I have a lot of markers to do this though. You know what I'm saying? A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. I'm just putting the top back on that ram. It ain't as easy. Put a little muscle with it. We working on it, bros. The sun cracking out, y'all. I just talked to my brother. Yes, he said 80% rain. Like that was gonna stop me from going outside or something. He said he'll see me out there. What you doing outside? You got a haircut, you talking about some 80% chance of rain. I'm ready, man, I'm ready to put this towel here. Pump this joint up and I'm ready to ride. I'm ready to ride for real. Crazy. All right, Mike, come on. Come on, Mike. Done, Dick. Get on there. Back up, back up. Back up, rewind. Say back up, rewind. You're almost there, y'all. I'm right here at the end. Ready to smoke his boot. One last time. Got me. Back up a little bit now. Get some more room. I stay on my line though. Give me this one. Got the bad side. Good side. Perfect hit right there. And I love it. If you like it, I love it. You know, all my people watching out there though. But I ain't gonna say all of them. I ain't nobody watching with me right now, but it's gonna be watching. Just take notes. Pay attention. Voila. Look at that. All done. Maybe in the woods near you doing it. That's right.